my name's Tyler, aka Thrifts and Tangles. I've decided vlogging is going to be something I do more frequently. I get really stressed when it's time to film a YouTube video and I feel like I have to sit down and have a whole setup and all these things, because really sometimes it's just easier to pick up a camera and just show you my day. We are in Vegas right now, me and my fiance. We're visiting family. I'm originally from Vegas, if you don't know that, but now I live in LA. We are staying at the Rio. I'm going to show you the room tour and I'm going to show you our view. We have a view of the strip and I'm sitting in front of like the biggest window right now and we have an amazing view. So I'll show you. But today's game plan is my mom is picking me up and we are going to go shopping for stuff for the wedding. I'm going to try to find a flower girl dress and outfits for the kids, like for the ring bearer and for the sign bearers. I think that's what we're calling them. I don't have a sign for them to hold yet. I don't know what sign they're going to be holding. I think it's weird when people have the, what is it? Some of the signs are like, hit me up in 10 more years, ladies, or like just really weird. Like this kid, no, we're not holding it. I'm single, ladies, and the kid's like 4. I'm like, we're not. I need to find a sign. If you have any cute ideas for signs for like little 6, 8, I don't know how much, I don't know how old these kids are. One of the kids' birthdays is today and I think he just turned 8. So anyways, did he turn 8, 9? I'm really bad with keeping track of the years. I'm bad at estimating. The years just go by. It all blends together. But what is my point of that? So yeah, we're going to find outfits for them and I'm just going to find little trinkets and stuff to decorate my venue with. So yeah, let's take a look at the hotel. Okay, so this is the door. When you walk in, you see there are some couches. There's my laptop. There's like a little cushion, a little table, and then here are the beds. We only need one bed, so we took the pillows off that bed and put it on this. This is the smallest pillow I've ever seen in my life. As far as like head size goes, I sleep on like these massive, I think they're king size pillows. I don't know why this pillow just looks extra. I mean, it's not that small. It looks extra small to me. So I don't know, but yeah, that's the room. Let me show you. And here is just the TV, which I kind of like that they hide the TV. You don't feel like you have to always watch the TV when you're in the room. Because I feel like it's out of sight, out of mind. So it's kind of nice. And then here are the massive windows. I should probably show you a view of this at night. But that's the Rio. Can you see the sign? Yeah. Oh, these windows need to be cleaned. There's my city. I'm originally from Vegas. I've lived in Cali for since 2018, I think. I told you I'm not good at years or estimating. Should I zoom in? Yeah, so that's the view. It's been really busy here because I guess there's the rock and roll marathon going on, which we didn't know about. So yeah, that was interesting. A lot of things I think they closed down Las Vegas Boulevard. I think it was closed yesterday and I think it's closed today. Thankfully, the Rio, if you are not from Vegas, the Rio is a good place to stay if you don't want to deal with the madness that is the Strip. It's right next to the Strip. It's close enough to the Strip, as you can see from our view. But you don't have to worry, parking is free. You don't have to worry about, the Strip just gets really hectic sometimes. So they used to have a shuttle that left from here that went to the Strip and they canceled it. So that's not great. And I think this was purchased, so they're still renovating and there's just a lot of changes that need to be made here, but it's not a horrible option if you could get a good price on a room here. With that being said, I need to call my mom I'll check back when I'm with my mom and we can go shopping. I totally forgot to show the bathroom and the closet and stuff, and I was about to leave and I was like, wait, I didn't even show you all. So here's the bathroom. I really like their bathroom. It gives you a lot of vanity space. So that's the counter. It has one sink. There I am. Hi. And then right here is the closet. I like that this place has so many mirrors. So there's the closet. It's pretty spacious in here. And then here's the bathroom. There's a door so you can close it. Another mirror, the countertops, the toilet, and then the shower. And then on the door there's a rack. But the lighting is just really, there's lights everywhere. It's well lit. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 mirrors, so more than enough space. And then the fact, let's go back, there are 2 sinks, so 2 people can get ready at once. It's kind of weird that the sinks are split, but I get it. Like, you get some privacy in the bathroom. Yeah. All right, let's go shopping. All right, we just got to Goodwill, and look at this candle holder. I think this will be perfect to go in front of like the staircase at my wedding. So it's only $9.99, so we're going to grab that. I don't know what I'll do, but that's impressive. Oh yeah. Yeah. The prices are here way better than. Yeah. We have a lot of fancy little things. Oh, this is missing the. We can even put time for love on something. It's missing some. We have some nice frames. They could do what?
They can make little frames or something.
Oh, yeah. And put them just around. Okay, I found these. I'm going to use as table runners and kind of bunch it up. Like, I don't know how I'm going to do it yet, but I think this looks really cool. And this is all one piece, but underneath it has like this lace detail, and I can cut it off so it kind of matches, and I can use this as a table runner too. But it has my colors in it. My colors are like blush and like greenish. It's kind of off. It's a little metallic. You can't see on the camera. This like kind of looks dull on the camera, but in person it's really pretty. So I think we'll do that. All right, I found a ton of stuff at Goodwill, and now I'm at Savers. So let's see if they have anything good. This one's pretty. You're right, they have better frames here.
Ofrecemos grandes descuentos. Eso puede venir muy bien, ¿verdad? Horarios flexibles y oportunidades de crecimiento. Sí, aquí encontrarás todo eso. Además, serás parte de una cultura divertida e inclusiva en un entorno que año tras año ayuda a mantener millones de libras de artículos reutilizables fuera de los tiraderos. Únete a nuestro equipo. Para obtener más información, visita careers.savers.com.
Oh, that's still there. That's the one you dropped off. I was gonna say I just saw a picture of that. This doesn't have a price.
Greetings, Thrifters. Thank you for continuing.